Hello, welcome back, Subtech. This is again Sabit Christopher. I'm taking you through how do you download LinkedIn videos. We all know that LinkedIn is a professional corporate platform which is connecting many businesses and many ads and marketing advertisements videos run on LinkedIn. So you may have a video you want to download, maybe to transfer on another platform. So I'm going to take you through how we download YouTube LinkedIn videos. So if you haven't subscribed to Subtech Online and Subtech Trends, please do for more like this. So we have a video we want to download from LinkedIn, and I will show you the link. This is the link. I will include it in the description below. You'll use to download the LinkedIn video. So copy the link, open a new tab, and run the link. uh, as it is running, you can go on LinkedIn and get any video you're supposed to download. Click on the three dots on the top of the post. There is this copy link to post. Then take the link to the tab, the link you have just opened, the expertphp.com. So you'll get a text box where you'll paste your URL. So we shall paste the URL. Then after that, you run and download. It is going to populate links for both video and images. So we shall go for the video link. So that is it. It is going to open in a browser. The player will open in a browser and start playing. So you right click on the video. There is this option of save video as. So you give it a name. I'll give it a name, okay? Then save. Then after saving, this one should be running in the background. Go to your folder where you have saved that and you'll be good to go. Thank you. Meet you in another video. Bye bye.